All right, so check this out. Yo, we want to graph each line described. So I have 3 examples down here. And here's the first one. So we're going to graph the line that passes through the point -3, -2. And I want it to have a slope of 1/2. So here is some characteristics of a line. We need to go ahead and graph this then. All right, well, let's think about this. If they're giving us a point, we should probably go ahead and plot that point. That would be kind of simple, right? So we can plot the point -3, -2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Ay. So there's that guy right there. Now, this line that we're going to graph has a slope of 1/2. Again, a slope of 1/2 means we have a rise of 1 and a run of 2. Okay, and slope, by the way, if you want to think about it, slope always, the top number always goes up if it's positive, and it goes down if it's negative, and the denominator always goes to the right if it's positive or left if it's negative. So if the 1 is positive, I know I'm going to go up 1. See, so I'm going to go up 1, but don't put a dot yet because we have to do now the denominator. Since 2 is positive, I'm going to go to the right 2. So up 1 over 2. And how many points do we need to graph a line? Well, only 2, right? So we have enough information, but I'm going to go ahead and graph some more just so that I can draw a little more accurately. So up 1 over 2. 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 Or you can go down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. And I'm getting this from right here. The slope just tells us how much we go up, and this is how much we go over. So we can go ahead and graph this guy now. And that guy looks something like that. And don't need that part though. And that guy would be going that way. So that would be the graph that has the characteristic of the point -3, 2 and the slope of 1/2. Let's check out example B. It has the point 5, -1, so we can plot that easily. 5, -1. And it has an undefined slope. Oh, snap. So we talked about lines that have an undefined slope. If it has an undefined slope, we know it has to be a vertical line. It has to be vertical. So we just draw a vertical line that goes through that point, and then we're going to be done. So it's going to go up and down. Let me make that slightly better there. Let me see if I can move it over. There we go. And make sure that you do put arrows at the end of your line because it indicates that it goes on forever, both directions. So there we go. Lastly, example C. We have the point -4, 6. Let's plot that tamale. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. And it has a slope of -3/4, which means that we're going to go down 3 and over to the right 4. Okay, so down 3 and over 4. There we go. And you can do as many points as you want, but you only need 2. You can go ahead and connect these now, but it's just going to help me graph it a little better on my computer screen. So down 3 over 4. And I can come up here and go up 3. Now, it wouldn't make sense to go up 3 and then right 4. Okay, so it all has to fit on one line. These are linear functions here, so that's why you wouldn't go to the right, because you're not going to get a little V shape going on right here. All right, well, we can go ahead and graph this guy. And there we go. That's what the line would look like.